PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
What am I talking about? If the opponent loops at you, you defend using a friction-based approach. Who are you? What are you? Are you trying to play fast? Right, huh? Wait until I lob at you. Are you playing fast or counter-looping? Then it's definitely counter-looping. Isn't backhand counter-hitting the same as counter-looping? Should this counter-loop have a bit of lift or more lift? But you need to counter-loop towards the net. Counter-loop against the net. You must have the right feeling for it. Isn't it equivalent to a backhand flick? Wait for the instant when it's flicked. Wait for the instant when it's flicked. Done in this way. So if I lob at you, you're quick counter-loop. To quick counter-loop quickly. Is it too thin? Can't muster enough strength. You can only generate some force by receiving. Because quick counter-looping is actually quick counter-looping. Playing in a high position doesn't quite match. So you must use counter-looping to handle high balls. Quick counter-loop to handle what handle forward play, right? If you instinctively counter-loop with quick stroke, your only option is to desperately shorten the ball. So as soon as the opponent attacks you have to play like this, but the quality won't be high. So as soon as the opponent lobs to perform a high-quality, so-called strong topspin with your backhand, you absolutely must wait for the instant. So-called counter-looping is what we mean by counter. Counter-loop towards the net. If you counter-loop onto the table, it's definitely once you counter like this, the spin becomes more dominant, the more decisive the spin, but you also need to control the ball. The more decisive the spin, then you're smashing, not countering, right? It's just that you exert power for a split second, right? So do you grab the rhythm to counter? Or do you wait a bit for the rhythm? Is a bit of a dog paddle to grab the rhythm? Loop countering all involves waiting for the right moment. Including what? Including the defensive strategies we just talked about, encircling, embracing. It all comes down to the right moment. Saying many coaches wrongly advise to defend quickly against their opponent's spin. The more you should wait for the right moment to defend. Don't rush to counter. Slow down the defense. Put more effort into it, right? Then I exert force, right? Isn't it release first, then exert force? I release first and then exert force. Plus, in a match, you wouldn't dare rush in, right? The more intense the pressure, the more cautious you should be. The more you should wait and then take action, right? At this point, you just need to control. Counter-loop a few more times. A bit more urgency, right? Yes, yes, yes. You don't need to retreat. You don't need to retreat, right? You're not retreating. You're just slowing down the rhythm. Tighten up a bit. Okay, thank you for the guidance. That's about it, right?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.